Before buying an electric bike, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's all about finding the right balance between price and performance. And today, I'm breaking down the top 5 electric bikes under $1,500 that actually deliver.
Product number 1, RKJ electric bike. This beast features a 2200 watt motor that can handle steep hills with ease. And trust me, if you're looking for speed, this bike can reach up to 30 miles per hour. At around $1,500, it's a solid investment for anyone who values power and performance. If you're after thrilling rides and need a bike that can keep up with your adventurous spirit, this is worth a serious look. Now, let's dive into why the RKJ is a great choice. The 48-volt, 15.6 amp-hour removable battery offers an impressive range of up to 75 miles in pedal assist mode. That means you can cruise for hours without worrying about running out of juice. Plus, the full suspension system paired with 20-inch all-terrain fat tires gives you stability on various surfaces, whether you're hitting the trails or navigating city streets. And it's got dual disc brakes, which means you can stop on a dime, a must for those high-speed rides. However, I have to be honest here. Some users have mentioned that the assembly can be a bit tricky, especially if you're not mechanically inclined. But here's the thing. Once you get it set up, the performance is so rewarding that it's worth the initial hassle. This bike is perfect for you if you're an adult looking for a powerful ride that can handle all terrains and distances. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual ride around the neighborhood. For the performance you get, it's a fantastic value.
Product number 2, Bodywell foldable e-bike. We have the Bodywell electric bike, a compact and foldable option that's perfect for city commuting. Priced around $1,200, this mini bike packs a 400W peak motor and can hit speeds up to 20 miles per hour. If you want something lightweight and easy to take on public transport, this is definitely worth a look. This bike shines with its fast charging feature. You can fully charge it in just 4 to 6 hours, which is great for busy lifestyles. The hidden battery design keeps everything sleek, while the 25-mile range means it can easily cover your daily commute. Plus, the dual disc brakes ensure you stop safely, rain or shine. If you're someone who needs a bike that's not just functional, but also stylish and portable, this one's for you. But I gotta keep it real. This single-speed design limits your riding options compared to multi-speed bikes. If you're a speed junkie or love tackling different terrains, you might find this a bit lacking. But for city rides, it's honestly a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-store bike that can get you around town efficiently. Skip this if you need a bike for rugged terrains or longer trips. For the price, you're getting a reliable commuter bike.
Product number 3, Jansno electric bike. Let's talk about the Jansno electric bike. Priced at approximately $1,400, this bike is a powerhouse with a 1500 watt motor that can reach speeds of 31 miles per hour. If you're an adrenaline seeker, this one might just be your match. What sets this bike apart is its massive 48-volt, 23 amp-hour battery, giving you an astonishing 120 miles per charge. Imagine weekend adventures without worrying about battery life. The 20-inch fat tires and high carbon steel frame mean it's built to conquer all kinds of terrain, from sandy beaches to snowy paths. It even has a 7-speed system, which lets you adjust based on your riding needs. This flexibility makes it a great fit for both casual rides and intense outings. One downside is that it's a bit heavy, weighing in at around 75 pounds. Some users might find it cumbersome to transport, but if you're mainly riding it around your local area, that weight won't be a deal breaker. This bike is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast looking for a rugged ride that can handle anything. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and portable. It offers a lot of bang for your buck.
Product number 4, Mototech electric superbike. The Mototech electric superbike is next on our list, priced around $1,200. This bike has a sporty design and a 1,000 watt motor that can take you up to 20 miles on a single charge. If you're looking for something fun for short trips, this is definitely worth considering. Equipped with hydraulic disc brakes and a full suspension system, this bike offers a smooth and controlled ride. It also has a variable twist throttle, which gives you great power control. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, and it's perfect for leisure rides or running errands around town. However, some users found the range a bit limiting compared to other options on this list, especially for longer commutes. But honestly, if you're only using it for quick trips, that shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want an electric bike for casual rides and short distances. Skip this if you're looking for a bike to take on longer journeys. For the price, it's a fun and reliable ride.
Product number 5, Hesse Hook Bike Battery Bag. We have the electric bike controller bag. At just $12, it's not technically an electric bike, but it's a must-have accessory for keeping your battery secure. If you're looking for a way to transport your bike's battery safely without shaking around, this is worth a serious look. The bag is made from premium polyester and has a good size capacity to fit various battery sizes. It features straps to ensure your battery stays secure while you ride, which is crucial for those bumpy trails. This is all about peace of mind during your rides. Now, I need to point out that some users wish it had more padding for extra protection, but for the price, it does the job well enough to keep your battery intact. This is perfect for you if you own an electric bike and need a simple solution to secure your battery. Skip this if you're looking for a complete bike solution. It's a budget-friendly accessory that adds essential protection.
So, there you have it. From the powerful RKJ electric bike to the compact Bodywell, and from the adventurous Jansno to the fun Mototech, and not forgetting the essential Hesse Hook battery bag, each of these options has something unique to offer. Choose based on your riding style and needs, and you can't go wrong with these great value electric bikes under $1,500.